Namaskar, I'm Shamali Sinha. Welcome to Foodie'shut. And on this episode of Foodie'shut, I'm going to make a super easy and delectable coconut onion chutney which you can serve with dosa, idli, appam. I have already arranged all the ingredients. So let's get started. First, let me heat up the cooking pan. Now add some vegetable oil. Now you can use coconut oil too. To this hot oil, add these dried red chillies. Next, I'm sprinkling salt, giving a quick stir and add in Chana Dal. Continue stirring till the dal release the flavor. Now time to add this chopped onion, ginger and keep mixing. Now time to add coconut. Today I am using the sliced frozen coconut which I have, but fresh coconut tastes even better in this chutney. Adjust the heat, sometimes low, sometimes medium, and cook just for a couple of minutes. The mixture will release a nice beautiful aroma. At that point, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Okay, so now here in this bowl I have taken a small tamarind ball and I'm adding a little bit of water to make it a pulp. Alright, now I'm transferring the mixture into my mixing jar and then I'm adding this tamarind extract. Now if you like the sour chutney, then add this tamarind pulp as well, but I'm just adding the extract only. Now add some more water. I have added half cup of water. Put the lid on and make a smooth chutney. Okay, so last step, time to add tadka. Heating up the tadka pan and pour vegetable oil or coconut oil. Heat up the oil. When the oil is hot, reduce the heat to low and add black mustard seeds. It will splutter, so take care and step back. Then turn off the heat. Add the curry leaves. Pour the tadka on the chutney, and yes, you can store this chutney in the refrigerator up to a week. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try this recipe, and if you do, then make sure that do Instagram me or send me a picture on Facebook. Thanks for watching. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.